Dear students, today we will continue chapter 2nd, Acids, Bases and Salts. Here, today's topic is Salt and Acid Rain. Salts. By the combination of acid and base, salt and water formed. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. We know that acids produce H plus ion and alkalis produce OH minus in the presence of water. According to Arrhenius concept, acids produce H plus ions and alkalis produce OH minus ion in the presence of water. When acids and bases react with each other, these H plus and OH minus ions together give water molecules along with the production of a salt. आप जानते हैं कि एसिड वाटर में H प्लस आयन देता है और बेस OH माइनस आयन देते हैं और दोनों कंबाइन होकर वाटर बनाते हैं और साथ में सॉल्ट का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. Salts are ionic compounds in which one part is positively charged and the second part is negatively charged. The number of positive ions is equal to the number of negative ions, and as a result, salts are electrically neutral. Salts can be prepared by many methods. Neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is one of the most popular ways of preparing salts. Salts आयनिक कंपाउंड होते हैं जिसमें से वन पार्ट पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, दूसरा पार्ट नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज दोनों बराबर होने से सॉल्ट्स का नेचर इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स विथ केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर नाइट्रिक एसिड react with potassium hydroxide to form potassium nitrate plus water. H2SO4 react with copper hydroxide to form copper sulfate plus water. Acetic acid react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium acetate plus water. Acetic acid react with ammonium hydroxide to form ammonium acetate plus water. In these reactions, the positively charged part of the salt comes from the base and is called basic radical, and the negatively charged part comes from the acid and is known as acidic radical. For example, in potassium nitrate KNO3, K plus is the basic radical and NO3 minus is the acidic radical. सॉल्ट का पॉजिटिव पार्ट बेस से आया है और उसे बेसिक रेडिकल कहते हैं. सॉल्ट का नेगेटिव पार्ट एसिड से आया है और उसे एसिडिक रेडिकल कहते हैं. आर ऑल सॉल्ट्स न्यूट्रल? क्या सभी सॉल्ट न्यूट्रल होते हैं? आइए जानते हैं. इफ ऑल सॉल्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड बाय न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन बिटवीन एसिड्स एंड बेसिस, then why do different salts have different pH values? To answer this, we will need to understand the nature of the acidic radical and basic radical in each salt. अलग अलग सॉल्ट्स की pH वैल्यूज़ अलग अलग होती हैं. इसे जानने के लिए हमें एच सॉल्ट्स की एसिडिक रेडिकल और बेसिक रेडिकल्स के नेचर के बारे में हमें जानना होगा. इन कॉमन सॉल्ट द बेसिक रेडिकल Na प्लस इज फ्रॉम स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड द एसिडिक रेडिकल Cl माइनस इज फ्रॉम strong acid hydrochloric acid. The salts formed by the neutralization reaction between a strong acid and a strong base are neutral in nature. Same is reaction between a weak acid and a weak base are neutral in nature. We can easily understand this concept with the help of this table. Here, copper sulfate is a salt which is formed by copper hydroxide, which is weak base, and sulfuric acid, which is strong acid, and the nature of salt is acidic. Second, NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, which is made by NaOH, strong base, and H2CO3, weak acid, and the nature of salt is basic. Third, ammonium acetate, which is formed by ammonium hydroxide, weak base, and acetic acid, weak acid. Here, the nature of salt is neutral. Fourth, ammonium chloride, which is formed by ammonium hydroxide, weak base, and hydrochloric acid, strong acid. In this, nature of salt is acidic. Fifth, potassium nitrate, which is formed by potassium hydroxide, strong base, and nitric acid, strong acid, and the nature of salt is neutral. We find that the nature of salt formed between a strong base and a weak acid is basic, and that formed by reaction between strong acid and a weak base is acidic. The nature of salt formed by neutralization reaction of weak acid and weak base is also neutral. Now, acid rain. You know that the pH of rainwater is 7, but when different gases present in the atmosphere dissolve in it, the pH of rainwater becomes less than 7. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. जब रेन वाटर का pH 5.6 से कम होती है उस समय हम उसे एसिड रेन कहते हैं. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and the oxides of nitrogen produced during fuel combustion are the main cause of acid rain. The gases produced during decomposition of vegetation and volcanic explosions are another factor. These gases dissolve in water to produce carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. The chemical reactions are CO2 react with H2O to form H2CO3. 2SO2 react with O2 to form 2SO3. SO3 react with H2O to form H2SO4. 3NO2 react with H2O to form 2HNO3 plus NO. Acid rain is harmful for us and our environment. Acid rainfall damages plants, animals, and buildings. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel Bright Videos.